Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use animation points in Explained 4.0. So I've got a project open here. In this first scene, I've got a text box with a zoom out animation. So let me first show you a basic example of an animation point. Let me open the canvas. If you select any element on the canvas, you'll see this Add Animation button. And if I click on it, it creates a duplicate, which is essentially a keyframe that I can move around like so. I'll place it down here. And you'll also notice this frames box with the number 24 in it. It simply means that the animation will happen in 24 frames or 1 second. So if I close the canvas, you'll see that it animates first and then moves down. Now the moving down animation is from the keyframe animation that we just added. So if I open the canvas and then click on the animation point and change the frames to 15, and then close the canvas again, you'll see that the moving down animation is much faster. Let's open the canvas again, and I'll click on Add Sketch Image, which will open the sketch image gallery. I'll search for Social, and under Social Network, let me choose this SVG image, and here it is on the canvas. Let me move it a little higher, and I'll expand the timeline and drop down the element, like so. I'll click here to add an animation. I'll choose Kinetic Text In, and then choose Zoom In. And I'll move this gray bar for the SVG image just where the zoom out animation ends for the text element. Now if I close the canvas and we do a quick scene preview, you can see how I use a couple of animations along with the animation point to create this simple but effective animation. Now let me show you another example. I'll create a new scene. And here we have a blank canvas. Let's add an animated GIF image. I'll choose this eagle and click Open. I'll check this box for Don't Sketch. And then click Add. And here it is on the canvas. Let me hide the timeline. And then I'll move it to the top right corner, like so. Next, I'll add an animation point and then move it here. So we have added one animation point. Now I'll click this Add Point button, and as you can see, it's added yet another animation point. I'll reposition the point, and I'll go ahead and add a few more animation points, like so. Next, I'll go back to the animation points I added, and then resize the GIF images like so, to give it a feeling of depth. Now let me close the canvas, and as you can see, the eagle is flying across the canvas, but stopped flapping its wings. So let me go to the GIF tab, and then check this box for Loop GIF, and you'll see that the eagle is now flying well, and continuously flapping its wings as it flies across the canvas. Here's another example in which I used one animation point to create this simple animation. If I open the canvas, you can see the setup is pretty simple with just one animation point. So these are some of the ways that you can use animation points. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.